Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about Calvin Klein thongs, and these are a winner. So I feel like a solid black thong is just what every girl needs in their closet for those sexy little dresses that you want to put on, or something that is darker and you don't want to have that panty line. So this Calvin Klein logo here is stunning. I love the contrasting colors. It is just such a great feature of them as well. I love the fabric finishings with the really fine knit seam along the legs, as well as the booty. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I definitely love it in my collection, and let me show you the back. So right here on the back, guys, you can see that it is a really nice, beautiful fabric. It is cotton and it is a really nice cut and feels fantastic on. So you cannot go wrong with Calvin Klein. I love it. I have many pairs, and I will always continue to go back to them just for their high quality and also their absolute comfort. So I love them. So guys, if you are looking to start wearing Calvin Klein underwear, I guarantee you will never go back, but that's just my point of view.